Hey students, this is Renu, your SST teacher. So today we are going to start a very first chapter in SST subject. Okay, name of this lesson is lesson number 1, changes and choices. Changes and choices. Come on, try to repeat it after me. Changes and choices. Changes that means बदलाव and choices that means चुनाव करना, चीजों को चुनना. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to read about growing up and doing things on our own, learning to choose. कैसे बढ़ते हैं, चीजों को कैसे खुद से करते हैं, और लर्निंग टू चूज कैसे करते हैं, चीजों का चुनाव कैसे करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर चॉइसेस. गॉट इट? यस. नाउ की टर्म्स आर हियर: young child, baby animal, young plant, adult, and grow. That means in this chapter we are going to read about how to a young child, baby animal, young plant can grow. Got it? Yes. So, and yes, what's the meaning of adult and grow? You can see here, it's
Adult.
adult. You can see in this picture, okay? Adults, that means your parents and your teachers, है ना? वो क्या है? Adult है. All living things can grow. There are different stages of growing up. And what are living things? Just wait. Let me clear to you about this. So, before start to read this lesson, let's we read about changes and choices. So, which things can grow? कौन कौन सी चीजें ग्रो कर सकती है? ओके, सो इस चैप्टर में हम लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में भी जानने वाले हैं. एंड यस, रिमेंबर वन थिंग इन योर माइंड, व्हाट विच इज दैट ऑलवेज लिविंग थिंग्स कैन ग्रो. जो लिविंग थिंग्स होती है वही ग्रो कर सकती है. एंड व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स? लिविंग थिंग्स वर्ड्स आते ही आपके माइंड में एक वर्ड आ जाए, ऐसे पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स आते हैं ना: प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग. ओके, सो all living things can grow. For example, plants, animals and human beings. Human beings, that means जैसे आप हैं, मैं हूँ, ठीक है? So living things are born, grow old and die. And most living things need food, water, light, oxygen to breathe and to survive. जो भी living things है, जैसे आप हैं, मैं हूँ, हमें किसकी जरूरत होती है? फूड की जरूरत होती है, वाटर की जरूरत होती है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत होती है फॉर डूइंग आवर थिंग्स. गॉट इट? ओके. एंड यस, व्हाट अबाउट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स? नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स क्या होती है? So, non-living things can't grow, can't move, and they can't breathe, are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life. For example, rocks, bucket, water, chair, table, electricity, and many things that you see all around us. Living things वो होती है जो आप अपने आसपास सारी चीजें देख सकते हैं. जैसे क्या है? You can see your cell phone. Right now you have cell phone in your hands now. Mobile, table, chair, जो common चीजें हैं, your book, your pencil, etc. These all are non-living things. Got it? So now I'm going to start to read this lesson. ठीक है? In this lesson, we are going to read about changes and choices. ठीक है? So you can see here, it's a flow chart of changes and choices. ये changes and choices का एक flow chart है. Let's get started. Number 1, growing up. Growing up में first of all कौन सा process है? Newborn baby. Okay, what is right here? Newborn baby. So our life began as a newborn baby. Okay, then the newborn baby grow into toddler. Toddler, that means a baby who is started, who is learn to talk, walk, etc. मतलब धीरे धीरे चीजों को करना सीखता है. Toddler. Then the toddler grow into young child. Young child, that means you are. आप सब young child है ना? You can do lots of things for yourself. For example, you can take your meal, you can talk, you can dance, you can walk. That's it. And the last stage is here, adult. Adult, that means your parents and your teachers. Got it? And have a C here. Newborn baby. What is it? Newborn baby. As you can see in this picture,
Newborn baby.
ठीक है, it's a picture of a newborn baby. A baby who is just born or a few days old is called a newborn baby. ठीक है, a newborn baby can't talk or walk. ठीक है, and he and she depend on her and his mother for all needs. Got it? Toddler. Toddler, a child who has just
Toddler.
started to walk. What is it?
Toddler.
Toddler. A child who has just started to walk is called a toddler. As you can see in this picture, it's a picture of a toddler. Got it? And young child. What is here? Young child. As
Young child.
you can see in this picture, it's a picture of a young child. Got it? A young child can do a lot of things on his and her, on such a walking, bathing, eating, etc. You can see in this picture as you all are young child. Okay. Now, yes. So first point done now. Now second point is here, learning to do things on our own. That means अपनी चीजें या अपना काम हम खुद से कैसे करते हैं. ठीक है. And next point is here, learning to choose the right thing. सही चीजों को चुनना according to your choices. जो आपको चीजें अच्छी लगती है उसके according चीजों को चुनना. ठीक है. Now what is right here? Growing up. Growing up का मतलब क्या होता है? बढ़ना. As I told you about, living things can grow. Living things ही grow कर सकती है. मैंने आपको पहले starting में बताया था, है ना? So let's take a look at how the size changes as a living things now. Now we are going to read how two living things can grow. ठीक है? So number one example is here, rooster. Rooster, it's a bird. ठीक है? So first of all, you can see here it's a picture of eggs. Eggs है यहाँ पे. So first of all, rooster life begins in a form of egg. Got it? Now, next is here. It's a, which process is here? It's a hatchling. Okay. As you can see in this picture, it's a hatchling process. ठीक है? An animal that just come
Hatchling.
out. Okay, as you can hear.
Hatchling.
सुना आपने?
Hatchling.
Hatchling. An animal that has just come out from an egg is called a hatchling. Hatchling एक process होती है जब bird egg में से निकल के बाहर आता है. Okay, and a bird's life started in an egg. Okay, it's done. Next, hatchling process done हो गई. अब hatchling के बाद में now the bird come out from the egg. अब क्या होता है? Bird बाहर आ गया and he learns to how to fly and he tried to learn how to fly, how to take his food, etc. फिर क्या होता है? A bird grow into rooster. Got it? Now let's moving to the man growing process. Man कैसे grow करता है? As you can see in this picture, it's a picture of a newborn baby. Our life began as a newborn baby. Okay, then a baby grow into toddler. Okay, then the toddler boy, yeah, toddler baby grow into child. Then a child become a teenager. Between the teenager किसे कहते हैं? Age between 19 and 13 and 19 years old of age. जो 13 और 19 years की एज के बच्चे होते हैं उन्हें कैसे क्या कहते हैं? टीनेजर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर यंगर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. Got it? Now the teenager grow into adult man, as can you see in this picture. Okay, moving to the next page, we are going to learn how to a plant grow. Okay, how to a plant grow. So here you can see it's a sunflower plant. Okay, you can see it's a sunflower plant. So first of all, what is right here? Seed. क्या है यहाँ? Seed है. And what is seed? Ma'am, seed क्या होता है? Seed, it's a small hard part of a plant. Seed, it's a small hard part of a plant. First, the seed are shown in the ground. सबसे पहले seed को ground में चोन करते हैं. That means बोते हैं. Then the seed grow into seedling. सीड किसमें आता है? फिर सीडलिंग प्रोसेस पे आता है. ठीक है, अब सीडलिंग क्या होता है? यस, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, it's a seedling process. Seedling, a very young plant that has grown from a seed is called a seedling. एक छोटा सा प्लांट जो सीड से ग्रो करता है
Seedling.
से सीडलिंग
Seedling.
सीडलिंग कहते हैं. Then a seedling needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Now after few days a young the seedling grow into young plant. कुछ दिनों के बाद में जो seedling होता है वो एक young plant में grow कर लेता है. ठीक है, then the young plant grow into a full plant as you can see in this picture. ठीक है, पहले seed को ground में अपने shown करते हैं, बोते हैं, फिर seedling process होती है, then young plant grow. After it, young plant grow into a full grown plant as you can see in this picture. Okay, as it's a plant of sunflower. Got it? So today we have read how two living things can grow. And living things, that means as you can, for example, birds, plants, animals and human being. Okay, so in this video lecture, we have read about how two living things can grow, and in our next video lecture, we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter. Till then, see you soon in next class. Have a good day.